A round balloon of radius a subtends an angle theta at the eye of the observer, while the angle of elevation of its center is phi. Prove that the height of the center of the balloon is a sin phi cosec theta by 2. This question has come from CBSE in the year 90. Okay, very interesting question. So this is your round balloon, suppose. So first we draw the tangent OA which touches the balloon at the bottom point, and then we draw another tangent which passes the point B, okay, of the circle, okay, and see the center of the circle. This is round balloon, means circular. So OC and OA and OB are three angles. This angle is given here. This angle is, that is BOA, is given here theta. The round balloon of radius is subtended angle theta. This is a theta. This angle, okay, and angle of elevation of the center is phi. So this is the center. The angle of center is, this is a horizontal line. This angle is equal to phi is given. Okay. So you have to prove the height of the center of the balloon is a sin phi cosec theta by 2. So draw perpendicular from center of the center to the horizontal line CD and another line CA. Okay, both are perpendicular. This is perpendicular to CA is perpendicular to this line and CD is perpendicular to OH line. So therefore now if we take sin phi, this sin phi is equal to what? Sin phi is equal to perpendicular, means this is the CD by hypotenuse, this is hypotenuse, or sin phi is equal to CD, mean H, and CD is equal to H let by OC, or OC is equal to H by sin phi is equal to H by cosec sin cos is equal to H by sin phi. That is question number 1. Now sin theta by 2. This angle is theta, so this is equal to theta by 2. This angle is equal to theta by 2. This is equal to theta by 2, because OA and OB are tangent and OC is the center line. That is, so this angle equal to this. That is sin theta by 2 is equal to, this is the right angle triangle for the right angle OCA, and this is the right angle for OCB. Okay, right angle for OCA sin pi by 2 theta by 2 means this angle is equal to CA by OC, or CA means A, or sin theta by 2 is equal to A by OC, or A is equal to OC into sin theta by 2. Okay. Therefore A is equal to OC means H by sin phi into sin theta by 2, or H is equal to sin phi into A into 1 by sin theta by 2 is equal to A sin phi cosec theta by 2. Sin theta by 2 is equal to cosec theta by 2, or is equal to, that is the height of the balloon. From the prove that the height of the center of the balloon. This is the height of the center of the balloon from the horizontal. This is proved. Is equal to a sin phi and cosec theta by 2. Very easy sum, but very important sum. Okay, so this is your answer. Good. Next sum. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h. At a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom of the flagstaff is alpha and that of the top of the flagstaff is beta. Prove that the height of the tower is h by tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. This question has come in the year 1993 from CBSE. Okay, very important question. Let us solve it. So let first draw the tower. This is a tower. This is your flagstaff. This is a flag. So this is point A, this is B, this is C and D. So angle of elevation from the point D is equal to alpha. From the B point is at bottom of the flagstaff, and angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff is equal to beta given. These two givens. So we have to find out BC, that is the height of the tower. This is your tower, this is your flagstaff. Okay, so now tan alpha is equal to what? Tan alpha is equal to BC by BD. BC by DC. This is perpendicular. This is a right angle. Right angle BCD is equal to right angle triangle BC by DC. Okay, and tan beta is equal to what? Tan beta is equal to AC by DC. This is equal to AC is equal to what? AC is equal to this. AC is equal to AB plus BC. AC is equal to AB plus BC by DC. Now this is your tan beta minus tan alpha. Therefore tan beta minus tan alpha is equal to what? This is equation 1, this is equation 2. That is tan beta means this. Then DC AB plus BC. This is tan beta minus tan alpha is equal to BC by DC. BC will be LCM. Therefore AB BC plus BC minus BC by DC. BC cancel out. Is equal to AB by DC. So flagstaff, height of the flagstaff is equal to AB is equal to H given is equal to H by DC, or H by DC given. Therefore from equation 1, this equation 1, from equation 1 DC is equal to what? DC is equal to BC by tan alpha. from equation from this equation we can write DC is equal to BC by tan alpha. Okay? Put the value of BC here. Therefore, tan beta minus tan alpha is equal to H by BC is equal to BC DC. This DC is equal to BC by tan alpha. BC by tan alpha. Or BC. BC means height of the tower is equal to H into tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha root. Very important question. So this is your tower. This is your tower. On the top of the tower there is a flagstaff whose height is H. Okay. So now from the point D, angle of elevation of the bottom of the tower is called alpha, and top of the tower is flagstaff is equal to beta. So now tan alpha is equal to BC by DC, and tan beta is equal to AC by DC. So subtract this value, tan beta minus tan alpha is equal to DC LCM, cancel out H by DC. This is put the value of DC. Here DC is equal to what? DC is equal to BC by tan alpha. This value DC, value of the DC will be put here. So tan beta minus tan alpha raised into tan alpha by tan BC. Then DC, here DC will do BC by tan beta. Put in that value by the H. Okay, next one. Question number 3. From the top of a lighthouse, the angle of depletions of the two ships on the opposite sides of it are observed to be alpha and beta. If the height of the lighthouse be H and the line joining the ships passes through the foot of the lighthouse, so that the distance between the ships is H into tan alpha plus tan beta by tan alpha into tan beta. Okay, so suppose this is your lighthouse, and the angle of depletions of two ships on the opposite sides of it observed to be alpha beta. That is angle of depletion means suppose angle of depletion, this is alpha, this parallel this, then this must be alpha, and this is beta. Angle of depletion, this is beta, and this must be beta. Okay, suppose this is A point, this is B point, this is C point, this is D point. So house height of the lighthouse is H. This is H. Therefore, in triangle right angle ABD, tan alpha is equal to what? Alpha is equal to perpendicular by base, that is H by, suppose this is X, this is Y, this distance. This distance means BD is equal to X and this is equal to Y. Therefore, tan alpha is equal to perpendicular by base. This is equation 1, and from triangle right angle ADC, tan beta is equal to what? Tan beta is equal to H by perpendicular by base. Therefore, this is equation 2. So X is equal to H by tan alpha and Y is equal to H by tan beta. Therefore, X plus Y, the distance between the 2 points B and C. is equal to h by tan alpha plus h by tan beta. LCM will be tan alpha into tan beta, or h common tan beta plus tan alpha, that is equal to tan alpha tan beta and h into tan alpha plus tan beta root. Very easy sum. Okay, next sum. Question number 4. Two men are on opposite sides of a tower. They measure the angles of elevations of the top of the tower is 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. If the height of the tower is 30 meter, find the distance between the two men. This question has come from CBSE in the year 1994. Another same question is there, almost same. If the height of the tower is 60 meter, find the distance between the two men. This question has come in the year 1995 from CBSE. So we have to solve the problem. So first we draw a tower. This is tower. Opposite side, here will be one man. Two men are opposite sides of a tower. This is a tower. This is a tower. So opposite side means one side, this is one side, this is another side. So nearer point from the bottom, this is angle will be greater, this is 60 degree, and further point the angle will be less, this is 45 degree. This is a tower. Okay. This is A, B, C, D. Now this is a right angle triangle, right angle at the point C, A, B, C. Now tan 60 degree is equal to what? Perpendicular, this is perpendicular, this base is equal to this. This is equation 1. And from this right angle triangle, ACD, tan 45 degree is equal to what? AC by CD. Okay, this is equation 2. Or CD is equal to tan 45 1 into AC. And from equation 1, this tower, height of the tower is given here 30 meter. Okay, so AC is equal to 1 into AC is 30 meter. So AC is find out. From equation 2, AC means tan 30 means root 3 is equal to AC means 30 by BC. Or BC is equal to 30 by root 3 meter. Then here is one man at the point P, another man at the point D. Therefore, total distance between the two men is equal to BC plus CD. BC is equal to 30 by root 3 into CD is equal to 30. 30 taking common, 1 by root 3 plus 1 is equal to 30 into this is root 3 plus 1. is equal to 30 into multiplying numerator into numerator root 3. This will be 3 plus root 3 by 3 is equal to 10 into 3 plus root 3 is equal to 1.732 is equal to 10 into 4.732 is equal to 40.732 47.32 meter. This is the answer. Another one, question number 2 will be same. This height will be in place of 30, it will be 60 meter. So answer will be 47 into 32 meter into 2. Almost same. Only replace 30 by 60. Answer will be 4, 6, 94.64 meter. This is second answer. Almost same, only replace 30 by 60. Okay. Question number 5. An aeroplane flying horizontally 1 kilometer above the ground is observed at an elevation of 60 degree. After 10 seconds, its elevation is observed to be 30 degree. Find the speed of the aeroplane in kilometer per hour. This question has come in the year 1995 from CBSE. So very important questions. Let us solve it. So the aeroplane is at the point A. After 10 seconds, the aeroplane is at the point E. So angle of elevation at the point A is equal to 30 degree. This is 30 degree. And angle of elevation at the point E after 10 seconds is equal to 30 degree. This is 60 degree first, then 30 degree. Now in triangle, right angle triangle ACB, tan theta means here 60 degree is equal to perpendicular. This is perpendicular AB by base is equal to CB. This AB is given here. AB is equal to 1 kilometer. So tan 60 degree is root 3 is equal to 1 by CB, or CB is equal to 1 by root 3. Now in right angle EDC, tan 30 degree is equal to here perpendicular. This is perpendicular means ED by base means CD, or tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to ED means AB is equal to 1 kilometer by CD. CD means CB plus BD, or 1 by root 3 is equal to 1 by CB from equation 1. CB is equal to 1 by root 3 plus BD. And we know that S is equal to V into T. Suppose the velocity of the plane is equal to V kilometer per hour. Therefore, BD is equal to V means V kilometer per hour into T means here 10 second means 10 by 60 into 60 kilometer. Okay? Kilometer. So BD, value of BD is equal to V into 10 by 60 into 60, or 1 by root 3 plus v into 10 by 60 into 60 is into root 3. This into 1 is into this into 1. Or v into 1 by 60 into 6 is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 is equal to root 3 LCM is equal to 3 minus 1, or v is equal to 2 into 60 into 6 by root 3 is equal to multiplying numerator and denominator by root 3. 2 into 60 into 6 into root 3 by 3 is equal to 24 into root 3 means 1.732 kilometer is equal to 415.68 kilometer per hour. So V means velocity of the aeroplane is equal to 415.68 kilometer per hour. This is your answer. So next sum.